In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Games icons missing. So just imagine that this is the missing has a missing icon. Just go to properties, and as you can see change icon, and just click browse, or you can click any below of the icons, or just click browse and just choose the icon that you want to interchange with. An example for this, and if I click that, the icon would apply, and okay, and just click apply if you want that icon. And that's just the first method. For the second method is just go to your Steam. Example, if your game is Dota 2, so just go to properties, and after that go to install files, and after install files you can see verify integrity of game files, and that's it. It will restore the icon of your game.